Homestay owner best option smart lock. A11. No more passing key, smooth check-in anytime. More secure, more professional. First Homestay smart lock using SIM card. A11 add access remotely. Owner can set all access for their guest tenant just from phone. Fingerprint. Password. Even access card. Temporary block access. In cases of lost cards or tenant not reachable, access can be temporarily blocked for safety reason. Full operation record. Easy trace activity in-out. 4 central monitoring for all unit. Within one interface, owner can track, set, and monitor all of their guest, tenant, hotel, even cleaner. Emergency access for guest anytime. More professional. Save more cost and energy. Want to upgrade? Contact us now.